Next topic is number of atoms in unit cell. This one we are going to see the primitive and the non-primitive unit cells. So first we will discuss primitive cell, simple cubic unit cell. First we will see simple cubic unit cell. Important topic. They will ask in 3 mark question or 4 mark question. Calculate the number of atoms in simple cubic, or calculate the number of atoms in body center, face center. Separate 4 mark or 3 mark question possible. Important topic. So first case, number of simple cubic unit cell. Already I mentioned in primitive atoms only at the corners. So in this unit cell there are 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So 8 corners. So simple cubic means identical constituents present at each corners. Identical constituent present at each corners. Constituents means it may be atom, it may be ion, it may be a molecule. Atom or ion or molecule. So 8 atoms. So identical constant at each corner means simple cubic unit cell. In simple cubic unit cell, this corner atom touch the edge. This one called as edge. This corner touch the edge of the unit cell, but it won't touch the diagonal. Diagonal means this side. This cross is diagonal. So in simple cubic, it does not touch the diagonal side, but it touches the edge side. In case of simple cubic unit cell, the coordination number is dash. Coordination number comes answer the same as unit cell. It is a simple cubic unit cell. Already I mentioned, suppose we make this corner atom, then count the number of nearest neighbor about this atom. So nearest neighbor is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For this corner atom in a unit cell. So coordination number is 6 for simple cubic unit cell. Another important point is this simple cubic unit cell, each corner, these are corner. So each corner is shared by 8 unit cell. I will show. The top one is 4. This is 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the 4 unit cell. Then bottom we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So in this simple cubic cell, each corner is shared by 8 unit cell. Top 4, bottom 4. So in case of simple cubic cell, each corner atom is shared by 8 neighboring unit cell. Then we will calculate number of atoms. So number of atoms in simple cubic cell, simple cubic unit cell equal to NC by 8. So how many atoms at the corner? So each cube contains 8 corners. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So NC means number of atoms at corners. So number of atoms at corners is actually C. So 8 by shared by 8 neighboring cells. So 8. So answer is 1. So a simple cubic unit cell, number of atoms is 1. Next we will see body center cubic. Body center cubic unit cell. So in this case, identical atoms present at the corner. 8 corners, along with additional atom at the center of the unit cell. So 8 corners, additional atom at the center. That means identical constituents present at corners and additional atom present at the center is called as body center cubic. In this, each corner does not touch with each other. You see the diagram, each corner does not touch with each other, but all the corner atom touch the body centered atom present in the unit cell. All the 8 corners touch the body centered atom of the unit cell. That means each atom is neighboring atom is 8. Suppose you consider this atom, this body centered is this one. Count the number of nearest neighbor, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8 atoms. Similarly, you count for this carbon, this corner is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So each atom is shared by 8 neighboring particles. So in case of body center, atoms only present in the particular unit cell. So atoms present at the body center for particular unit cell is not shared with another unit cell. So body center is shared by one unit cell. So number of body center shared by one unit cell, because it is present in the particular unit cell, so it won't share with another unit cell. So it shared with only one unit cell. Then calculate the number of atoms. Number of atoms in BCC, body center cubic unit cell, equal to atoms present at the corner, so NC by 8 plus atom present at the center, additional at the body center. So NC by 8 plus present at the shared by one unit cell, NB by 1. So there are 8 atoms at the corner, so 8 by 8 plus 1 atom at the body center, so 1 by 1. So total answer is 2. So for body center cubic unit cell, the number of atom is 2. Next you see for face center cubic, last one. Face center cubic unit cell. So in this case, atoms present at the corner, 8 corners, atoms present at the 8 corners plus additional atom at the center of each face. This one top face, this one bottom face, this one side left hand side face, this is right hand side face. Then it is front and rear. Suppose you consider this one as textbook. Textbook means it has one face up, down, then 2, then 3, side 1, 4, along with top and front and rear. So 1, 2, 3. Suppose you consider this. Suppose you consider this as book. Left hand side 1, 2, 3, 4. Then front and back, so total 6 faces. So in simple cubic units, face center cubic units, so identical atom is present at corner as well as face. Identical constituents. Constituent means atom or ions or molecules. So identical constituents present at corners as well as face. As well as face. So in this case, it shared by 2 unit cell. I will show the diagram in the next class. So face center shared by 2 unit cell. Then we will calculate the number of atoms. So number of atoms in FCC unit cell, means face center cubic unit cell, equal to, see, atoms at the corner, so NC by 8 plus atoms at the face, so NF by 2. Why it is 2? It shared by 2 unit cell, so it is NF by 2. Then complete this. So corner you have 8 atoms, so 8 by 8. Face, number of face for the cubic is 6 face. So 6 divided by 2. So on cancelling, 3 plus 1, 1 plus 3, so total is 4. So in case of face centered cubic, the total number of atoms is 4. 4 atoms present in the face centered cubic. This is all about number of atoms in the unit cell. So each topic is important. Simple cubic, body center, face center. Simple cubic is primitive cell. Other is non-primitive. Is a non-primitive. This is also non-primitive cell. Non-primitive. Suppose if the board exam they will ask, calculate the number of atoms in simple cubic unit cell. Means you don't need to write all those things. Just draw the diagram, mention the corner, and do the calculation part. This first point you write for each. So first point, next you do the calculation. Simply suppose there is body center, diagram, first point, then the calculation. Face center, diagram, first point, then the calculation. Remember the face share. Each cubic units are shared. In case of face center shared by 2, body center shared by 1, simple cubic shared by 8. So it is an important topic. So make thorough of this topic. Thank you.